next year. I know it's after a really long time I didn't vlog because my phone got spoiled. Initially it was some software issue that they said, so 1 week went there, and next week when I received the phone again, you know, the same issue occurred, and then I had to give them the phone. They told me it might be hardware issue, it would take some 10 days, and then later on my full phone, entire phone got replaced, and here I am. I know I've lost a lot of things in between, but I couldn't vlog because the other phone that I use for my personal use, I couldn't use it. There were a lot of storage issues and all of that, so I couldn't even think of, you know, deleting some important stuff. So that's the reason I couldn't vlog, and I was just hoping that I would receive my phone by today, because today is my freshest day, and from today onwards I think the entire week is going to be full of joy, fun, feast and all of that. So I was just hoping that I would get this phone, and here it is, a new phone. So now I'm getting ready for college, as well as today's freshest day that's going to happen later. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and like and share this video, and stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So now let's see what we have for breakfast. It's a very hush situation, and kitchen, I don't have to turn back because of the lighting. It's going to be completely dark, but let's go to the kitchen and see what we've got for today. So my mom has prepared some very high protein kale dosa. It is this rava dosa along with some moong dal dosa along with some veggies.
Rava and
moong dal along with some veggies as well as paneer, high in protein, to go along with the chutney over here. Looks beautiful. So today is Teacher's Day, and Chris is now preparing his
it's
card.
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
He's preparing
His card now.
It's not 8 o'clock.
Then
what's the time?
what's the time?
You have the phone, right?
After school, he had all the time to watch TV, and Dad is here packing.
Lisa get now.
Muna full day miss akita. Dad is here packing lunch for me. Kal dilai same dilai lunch. Egg parota, very good. Keep it up. Yeah, Dada. Jai Maka. Yeah. Dada, let's go.
Breakfast na.
No, I won't eat. Maka ek dosa dora. I won't have breakfast. It's already late. So just going. It's feeling hot. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Go, guys. So guys, we finished 2 hours of our class in the morning, and actually we had 2 hours of class, but sir left us half an hour early, and here we are practicing for today's program. It's just like we practiced yesterday, 5 minutes of song, and now just some last finishing touch, and also the entry has to be practiced. I have not edited the song yet, which will be done, but for now we will practice in the half an hour that we have, and let's see what and how good it will turn out. We are done with the practice. I think for a day's practice it is really good. 5 minutes, we have pulled it off very well, and now it's time to attend 2 hours of lectures again, and then it's going to be lunch break. We have to go to another campus now, so we are just waiting for our bus. 10 minutes more, and I guess by then I'll have to edit the intro song as well, and then practice that during the lunch break. Done with second class of the day. It was 2 hours, but cut short to 1.5 hours. We have half an hour extra, so we are going to our main campus, have our lunch. The hostelites are going to the hostel. They'll have their lunch over there, and it's just the 2 of us. The rest have gone somewhere else because they didn't get food. We have packed our food from home. And then we got to practice after our lunch. You have umbrella. And once we were done with the practice, we had to attend the journal presentation, and once that was done, we left for our venue. And as it is a festive season, there were flower vendors sitting on either sides of the road selling this beautiful vibrant color flowers, a beautiful scene to watch as well with all these bright colors. We have reached Big Bazaar now because we are having our freshers day at Spindrift, the top floor of Big Bazaar, and we are not getting ready now because we are waiting for someone to get some saplings, because today is Teachers Day and we have not given anything to our lecturers because we were not actually aware of it. So then I asked my friend to get some sapling and he's getting it for us now, and I'll collect it from him and then go and dress up. Stay tuned for what it is going to be. Here in the washroom to change our outfit, and these are the cute little plants that we have got for 3 of our lecturers, and the theme is going to be Bollywood character. I'll be dressing up as some Bollywood character, which you guys will realize it's only the 2 of us over here. The rest are hostelites and one has gone to a friend's house to drape out. We have got 1 hour, which is sufficient I believe, because there's no air over here and it is definitely hot, so we'll have to move out as soon as possible.
1 hour later.
So guys, we are all ready. I am character Maya from Shraddha Kapoor, the character Maya from Chichore, and behind me is a character Riya. You are Riya from again Shraddha Kapoor from what is that? Which movie? Half Girlfriend. And rest of the characters I will show you guys later. They will introduce themselves. Okay, you will have to introduce. So for now, the thing is our location has changed. Like we were supposed to be here at Spindrift, but they have asked us to come to a different location. So rest of my friends have gone inside, so we are waiting for them, and all of us will go together, take an auto, and look at the cute little plants. So we are actually that embarrassing feeling, because getting dressed up and then going and all this such normal would be fine, but it is because we are dressed in specific characters. We are doing auto ride, 3 of us over here, and the rest 4 are in other auto. We are having a good blow dry session, and it is also drizzling outside. We have only 1 umbrella which is inside our bag. Inside the lift to go to our final destination. Destination for the day. You will tell what characters you people are.
I am Arohi from Ashik 2.
Ashiki 2. Here.
Chandana from
Kuch hota hai.
You know me already?
Yeah, you know. And this.
From Avesham.
What is your character?
Mia.
No, you I told. This will.
Nayana from
Hey Diwali. Video say cheese. I will show you guys one of the most beautiful scenic view that we have got here. That is not Kida. That is this beautiful view over here. It is also the time of sunset, and you can see the sea and the sun, and also the wind, the breeze. Perfect place. Perfect one.
1 eternity later.
We are done with our photo session and all of that, and now I don't know, they have not called us yet, but yet we are going inside. Probably the program will begin.
Yes, it's Freshers 2024.
We had to do an entry like introducing the character that we were, and I'll be putting all these clips in 2x because of copyright issues. I hope you guys will enjoy it. Various games were also conducted, and this was the first one where we had to eat a biscuit by keeping it on our forehead. Followed by that, we were given some days like extreme days where we had to perform, and this was the reaction that I gave.
Whom kept you on? Whom Civic Bringa.
looking so good and with green leaves and Swami sir is just looking like a Pushpa movie.
And once the cake cut was done, all the first years were welcomed with a cute little message with some chocolates and a showpiece. And then it was time for dance from our seniors. Starters as well as soft drinks were served, and once we had it, it was time for the next game, that was musical chairs. And obviously I won it. It was a very competitive game where all of us were just fighting for that one place on the chair. And then it was time for our performance, the one that we had done practiced in a day, and it was an awesome moment performing where all of us were so happy and just enjoying the moment. And then we had the final game for the night. That was, we had to blow the balloons and burst it. Followed by that, we had some dance session where we just danced our hearts out. Followed by dinner and dessert. Back home, guys. Sorry I couldn't shoot the outro over there. I'll be giving the outro here. So if you did like this vlog, then make sure you like it, share it, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Good night. Love you all.